Good morning students. In today's video we are going to discuss about the last and final two important topic, that catalyst promoters and catalyst inhibitor. Catalyst promoters and catalyst inhibitors, these are very important topics. Generally, in board examination, questions are asked from these two topics. Today, we have to discuss about the catalytic promoters and catalytic inhibitor. So, this is the catalyst promoters and catalyst inhibitor. So, first of all, we start catalyst promoter. Catalyst promoter. So let's start with the catalyst promoter. Promoter. It's from promote, like that promotion. So here promoter. Promote करना, assist करना, help करना. So students, by the name also you can come to know. आप जब ये नेम पढ़ोगे कैटेलिस्ट प्रमोटर, तो आपके दिमाग में तुरंत आइडिया आ जाएगा कि ऐसा कोई सब्सटेंस है जो कैटेलिस्ट के साथ ऐड किया जाता है. कैटेलिस्ट तो होगा वही होगा, विद द मेन कैटेलिस्ट, जो कैटेलिस्ट होगा उसके साथ एक एडिशनल सब्सटेंस ऐड करते हैं. उसको आप असिस्टेंट सब्सटेंस कह सकते हैं. और वो असिस्टेंट जो सब्सटेंस है वो क्या करेगा स्टूडेंट्स, वो जो मेन कैटेलिस्ट है उसकी एक्टिविटी को इनहेंस कर देगा, उसकी एक्टिविटी को बढ़ा देगा, उसको एक्टिवेट करेगा, उसको प्रमोट करेगा. So what is the catalyst promoter? So students, according to the definition of catalyst promoters, the substance which is added with the main catalyst to increase the activity of the catalyst, to enhance the capability of that catalyst. It means it assists in positive way, उसकी कार्य प्रणाली को बढ़ाएगा. So let's see the definition here. Those substances or the substance, you can write those substances which when added, those substances which when added with the catalyst, those substances which when added with the catalyst, where in the chemical reaction mixture, chemical reaction mixture, then the activity of catalysts increased. Catalyst activity of catalyst increase, and that substance is known as catalyst promoter. So students, what is the definition of catalyst promoter? The substance which when added with the catalyst in the chemical reaction mixture, then the activity of catalyst enhanced and that substance is known as catalyst promoter. और ये जो आपका सब्सटेंस होगा वो कैटेलिस्ट प्रमोटर होगा. रिएक्शन नाउ, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जांपल. विदाउट एग्जांपल you will not get the marks. So in each and every chemical reaction you have to write the example. So students, here example, here we are taking example. Example, the reaction of, here I will write two example for this. Example number first. First example, when N2 nitrogen gas react with hydrogen gas N2 and H2, when both the reaction, here reaction mixture is N2 and H2, these both are the reactants here. So when the reaction between hydrogen and nitrogen takes place in the presence of what? Iron Fe. यहां पे आपका जो आयरन है स्टूडेंट्स, it is what? It is catalyst. Iron is here catalyst. Then in the presence of iron powder, here we will use iron in powder form, and we will have here the product will form, that is ammonia, NH3. NH3, this is the reaction. The reaction between N2 and S2 in the presence of iron powder, iron churn you can say, we have here ammonia NH3. First of all you balance it. So by balancing you can put here 2. So now right side here 2 atoms of nitrogen, this side 2 atoms of nitrogen. Right side hydrogen 6 atom, left side you multiply by here 3. So now this is balanced equation. So students, if you will add this iron powder as the catalyst, reaction definitely will get over, but reaction is very slow. This iron alone find itself helpless to make the reaction fast. For that we need some additional supporter. For the additional supporter we can use here MO, molybdenum. And this here MO, actually this is the helping or assistant of iron, and this MO, this is actually catalyst promoter. This is the first example, and second example also we have. That is a very important example. This is enough for exam. If you write this example, you know, reaction of unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is a hydrogenation process. You will see in your next chapter. So actually students, in vegetable oils means edible oils, cooking oils, like your mustard oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil, soybean oils. All these are the oils. In that oils, if we pass hydrogen gas H2, means adding of hydrogen with the unsaturated hydrocarbon, here we have taken vegetable oils. In the presence of nickel catalyst, Ni means nickel, then reaction will get over, there is no problem, and we will have the product here as vegetable ghee. You can say dalda ghee, vegetable ghee. So from vegetable oils we can make vegetable ghee by passing hydrogen gas in the presence of nickel catalyst. But for the additional supporter, for the additional assistant, we can add one more metal, one more substance, that is copper. Yes students, this copper will increase the activity of nickel catalyst. ये निकल कैटेलिस्ट की एक्टिविटी को प्रमोट कर देगा. दो nickel also alone can complete the reaction, but reaction takes times because we need to make the reaction fast. For that we need additional supporter, additional assistance, additional helper that can activate the activeness of the nickel. So yes students, this copper is playing as the role of what? Copper is catalyst promoter. Catalyst is this copper is catalyst promoter. So here two examples are enough. First examples we have taken, which one? This your N2 plus S2 in the presence of iron with the assistant molybdenum, we got ammonia. Second example, we took the nickel catalyst for the converting vegetable oils in vegetable ghee. As the assistant of, as the helper of nickel, we have got here copper. So this copper is catalyst for motor. Hope students, you have understood about the catalyst for motor. And next, we are moving towards our next topic. That is also very important topic. And this topic's name is, do you know what is the name of that topic? That topic is catalyst inhibitor. Catalyst inhibitor. Catalyst inhibitor. Student, this inhibitor and promoter, both are the contrary to each other. ये जो कैटलिस्ट प्रमोटर थे वो क्या करते थे? वो प्रमोट करते थे पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, और यहाँ पे इनहिबिटर क्या कर रहे हैं? ये डिमोलाइज कर रहे हैं इसको, कैटलिस्ट को. तो यहाँ पे इट मीन्स कैटलिस्ट इनहिबिटर is a substance which is mixed in the reaction mixture, which decrease the activity of the catalyst, just opposite of that catalyst promoter. So you can write the catalyst inhibitor is the just opposite of the catalyst promoter. ये स्टूडेंट्स कैटेलिस्ट प्रमोटर का जस्ट उल्टा हो गया. तो हाउ विल यू राइट? सो यू कैन राइट द substance which when added in a reaction mixture with the catalyst, then it decreases the activity of the catalyst is known as catalyst inhibitors. Catalyst inhibitors. So what is catalyst inhibitor, students? The substance which, when added in a reaction mixture with the catalyst, then it decreases the activity of the catalyst, is known as catalyst inhibitor. So this is the definition. Catalyst promoter definitions and example we have given, and now catalyst inhibitor definition we have given, and now we will see the example. So here we have got example for catalyst inhibitor. For students, like that, a reaction of N2 plus H2, reaction between nitrogen and hydrogen, N2 plus a H2. Okay, here we use a catalyst Fe, that is iron. Product is formed ammonia NH3. By balancing it, if with this iron catalyst carbon monoxide CO, if carbon monoxide CO means carbon monoxide is mixed which gas, students? Carbon monoxide. Then what would be happened? Then the reactivity of iron becomes less, means decreases. So here in first case, that MO, it was activating the iron, and here in this example CO is the demoralizing, means here it decreased the working capacity, activeness or activity of the iron. So here if carbon monoxide is mixed, then the reactivity of iron decreases. Therefore CO is a catalyst inhibitor. Catalyst inhibitor. So students, we have completed catalyst promoter, example also given. We have completed catalyst inhibitors, and now finally last content of this chapter. Next videos we will have the new chapter, and now next is final content, that is characteristics of catalysts. Characteristics of catalyst. स्टूडेंट्स, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में क्या क्या खास बातें होती है, क्या उसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती है, दैट वी विल डिसाइड हियर. So here we start with the first characteristics. Actually students, catalysts are responsible for the change the velocity of the chemical reaction. Catalysts are the responsible for the change the velocity of the reaction. Some catalysts increase the speed of the reaction, whereas some catalysts decrease the velocity of the chemical reaction. Okay students, in that time the chemical decomposition of the catalyst remains unchanged. So you can write first, catalysts are the responsible for the change the velocity of chemical reaction. Either they increase or decrease the speed of chemical reaction. But their chemical composition remain unchanged. मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स, कैटेलिस्ट की जो स्वयं की इटसेल्फ जो केमिकल कंपोजिशन है वो अनचेंज रहता है. मीन्स कुछ उनमें खुद का कुछ नहीं होता है. नथिंग हैपन्स विद देम, ओनली दे आर यूज्ड टू increasing or decreasing the rate of reaction. So this is the first characteristics of the catalyst. And second characteristic, students, that is also important, the presence of even a small amount of catalyst is enough to initiate So start, you can write to start the reaction. There is no need to a big amount, there is no need a large amount of catalyst. Even a small amount of catalyst is enough to initiate the reaction. And students, the third thing is very important about this. For each reaction, specific reactants are required. All the reactants are not same. For each reaction, a specific reactants are required. Understood, student? In some reactions, we use your nickel as the catalyst. In some reaction, we use iron as the catalyst. So different catalysts we use for the different reactions. Fourth, presence of even a small amount of catalyst is enough to change. Sorry, start here. It is change. To change the speed of reaction. And now, for each reaction, specific reactants are required. This I have told you. Fourth, catalysts do not initiate the chemical reaction. Catalysts are not responsible for initiate any chemical reaction. Catalyst रिएक्शन स्टार्ट नहीं करता है. रिएक्शन स्टार्ट होती है बिटवीन द रिएक्टेंट्स. रिएक्शन सिर्फ उसको स्पीड को बूस्ट अप और उसको स्लो डाउन कर सकता है, अदर नथिंग. एंड नेक्स्ट इज in the reversible reaction. In case of reversible reaction, students, in reversible reaction means for backward and forward, same catalyst is enough. It means if a reversible reaction, if reaction is in moving toward the forward direction, that time we use same reactant as the reaction is in backward reaction. So for both the reaction, forward as well as backward reaction, we need here the same reactants. We are not required to change this catalyst. So same catalyst can play the role for both the forward as well as backward reaction. So students, your chapter is get over. Thank you. Have a nice day.